Rirari igongona rihuirwo ni gikeno na nduhi nene Ohwo atumia njera-ini ya atumia ya Nakuru makiamukira itanda iria aheanĩtwo ni gikundi kia wendi mwega kia Faraja Foundation. Akiaria hindi ya igongona riu murugamiriri munene wa njera gitaru kia Rift Valley Dan Kanogore ni atugiritie gikundi giki gitangatha ikundi iria itari cia githirikari na iria iri na uhoti wa guteithiriria Ohwo njera-ini kwiyumiria na kunyita itemi.
Today we are here at Nakuru Women Prison to receive a massive donation of beds, 250, for the women inmates. The donation is a kind gesture from Faraja Foundation, who have been our partners in prisons department for a very long time.
Uhoro uyu ni unyitetwo mbaru ni murugamiriri wa gikundi gia kurora mikarire ya Ohwo njera-ini Mary Kaemba, akiuga atumia aria mari na ciana njera-ini mariroragwo na njira ya mwanya niguo kugacirithia mikarire yao.
It's part of appreciating and acknowledging that human rights are being respected in prison. Yeah, and remember we are changing from punishment to the humane approach, and this is part of what Faraja are supporting us do to our inmates.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri munene wa gikundi gia Faraja Foundation Jane Kuria augite ni makoretwo magicerera njera-ini nyingi guku bururi-ini, mworoto wao uri kumahe itanda na makiria kumathomithia mathomo maria mangi maguna thutha wa kurikia kioho kiao.
I'm now urging Kenyans to come on board and we support our own. We don't have to get donors from America, from the UK. While we have people in Kenya here, we can partner together and achieve some of the projects for our own people here in Kenya.
Giving, it is not about you have many, you have too much money to give. Your heart. If you help somebody, you have learned.
Mungu aweze kuwabariki sana. Hakika mmeguza mioyo yetu kama wamama. Tumejihisi ya kwamba tuko nyumbani.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, riakwa ni Wangeci wa Ndirangu.